So, we have some latest information on the next iPhone from Apple. Apart from the name, that is obviously iPhone 15 and 15 Pro, we have information about the color that the next iPhone will be coming with. According to trusted source 9to5Mac, Apple is bringing this crimson red color to iPhone 15, and this color will be only limited to Pro models. Talking about any other color, as of now there is no information on that. This is how the red color on iPhone 15 Pro will look like in real life. If you ask me, I think this new color just looks okay, but it is definitely not the one I'll be going with. Further CAD images of upcoming iPhone 15 Pro show a USB Type-C port, solid state buttons, and bezels on this new iPhone have shrinked a lot. This is the thing that Ice Universe is most excited about each and every day. When you look at the phone, it won't be noticeable, but when compared to iPhone 14 Pro side by side, the difference can be noticed. Apple has also removed iPhone's signature mute-unmute switch. Instead, now we have a solid state button that will be used for the same purpose, or you can use it for any other app or shortcut like on Apple Watch Ultra. The most interesting part I'm excited about are the cameras and performance. iPhone 15 Pro will be powered by A17 Bionic that will be based on a 3nm process. Right now the iPhone 14 Pro often heats up when doing intensive tasks like video recording and playing games. Apple will most probably use a 48 megapixel second generation sensor for upcoming iPhone that will be better in low light. I hope iOS 17 can utilize that camera in a good way, because right now iOS 16 is just a mess. So that was basically all about upcoming iPhone 15. For latest news and information, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts regarding this new color on the iPhone 15 Pro. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.